The problem is the unit weight of a soil sample is 1,900 kilogram per cubic meter and the unit weight of the soil particles is 2,660 kilogram per cubic meter. The soil has a moisture content of 12%. The void ratios corresponding to the densest and loosest state of the soil are 0.42 and 0.63 respectively. Determine the dry unit weight of the soil, determine the void ratio of the soil, and then determine the relative density of the soil. So, the first step that we must take is we must write down the given para mas mapadali yung pag-solve natin sa problem na ito. So, pansinin nyo ito guys, sabi sa problem natin is unit weight of soil sample. But then, yung unit ng given is kilogram per cubic meter. 'Di ba pag kilogram per cubic meter, it is density. So ibig sabihin, yung 1,900 kilogram per cubic meter natin is the moist density of the soil. Meanwhile, yung 2,660 kilogram per cubic meter natin is yung dry density of the soil. Meron din tayong given na moisture content na 0.12 in decimal. And also, meron din tayong two other givens, yung 0.42 and yung 0.63. So, remember this, everyone, na pag sinabi nating densest state of the soil, ibig sabihin, yan yung minimum void ratio. Pero pag sinabi naman nating loosest state of the soil, yun yung maximum void ratio, which is yung 0.63, okay? So, the first one na pinapahanap sa atin is yung dry unit weight ng soil. Ang formula na gagamitin natin is moist unit weight equals dry unit weight times 1 plus water content. So, di ba given na sa atin yung water content natin which is 0.12. Ngayon, hahanapin na lang natin yung moist unit weight para ma-solve natin itong dry unit weight. Pero madali na lang siya because given na sa atin itong moist density ng ating soil. So, remember guys na yung formula natin for moist unit weight is moist weight over the volume. So, expand pa natin itong weight. Di ba yung formula ng weight is mass times gravity? Therefore, yung magiging formula na ng moist unit weight natin is mass times gravity over the volume. Pero ito, di ba, yung mass over volume, napaka-familiar niya because it is the formula for density. Therefore, since sinahanap natin yung moist unit weight, yung magiging formula na niya is moist density times gravity. So, given na yan, diba? Substitute lang natin yung values. 1,900 kilogram per cubic meter times 9.81 meter per squared second divided by 1,000. So, take note guys na diba, yung Newton, equivalent niya is kilogram times meter per squared second. Pero di ba yung hinahanap natin dito is yung kilonewton. Therefore, dinivide natin siya by 1,000. So, solving this, we get a moist unit weight of 18.639 kilonewton per cubic meter. So, balikan na natin itong formula natin since given na lahat. So, substitute lang natin yung mga values and then input sa calculator, then shift solve nyo lang siya. We get a dry unit weight of 16.642 kilonewton per cubic meter. So, next na pinapahanap naman sa atin is yung void ratio ng ating soil. Gamitin natin ditong formula is dry unit weight equals specific gravity over 1 plus void ratio times unit weight of water. So, yung unit weight of water is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter siya. Given na sa atin yung dry unit weight kasi na-solve na natin siya kanina. So, therefore, para makuha natin itong void ratio, hahanapin natin yung specific gravity ng ating soil. So, di ba yung specific gravity ng ating soil sa soil parameters, pwede siyang unit weight of solid over the unit weight of water. Pero in this problem, since yung given natin is density, therefore, yung magiging formula natin for the specific gravity is the density of solids over density of water. Pero etong density of solids, 'di ba, ibig sabihin lang niya is dry density siya. So therefore, substitute lang natin yung values. 2,660 over 1,000 is equals to 2 2.66 na specific gravity. So, since nakuha na natin siya lahat, balikan natin itong formula and then substitute the values. So, eto na siya. 16.642 na dry unit weight equals 2.66 over 1 plus void ratio times 9.81. So, cancel lang yung units neto kaya hindi ko na siya linagay. Therefore, yung makukuha natin na void ratio is 0.568. Huling pinapakuha naman sa atin is yung relative density ng soil natin. So, in other books, yung ginagamit na representation for relative density is R. Sa iba naman is itong D, tapos may subscript small letter r. So, ito yung ginagamit dito ako sa 9. So, yung formula, di ba, for relative density is void ratio maximum minus void ratio over void ratio maximum minus void ratio minimum. So, na-explain naman ito kanina na E-max and E-min. So, therefore, substitute lang natin yung mga values. So, di ba meron na tayo nitong lahat and ito is kakakuha lang natin. So, substituting the values and then calculating it, we get a relative density of 0.29522 or in percentage it is 29.522%. That's all.